Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a sound test for the Mi SuperBass Bluetooth headphones. Now the sound that you're hearing is from the headphone itself. So this is where the mic is. So we'll be doing the bike test now. So you cannot really wear this under the helmet. It's very big. So we'll be just doing one bike test. Then we'll be taking it to the mall, doing the mall test, the traffic test, and the water test, and all those tests, and then see how good the sound quality is going to be. Please do not ride without a helmet. That's not something. I'm shooting this video in a controlled environment, so it'll be okay. But the earphone on and one thing which is there is sound that came from the mic which is facing towards over here, and there is no wind protection on it, so there is no mesh or anything which is actually protecting it from a lot of wind. So you will be getting a lot of wind sound. Now, right now I am riding a little bit slow, so you may be able to hear the rest. But now, when there is a lot of wind, you may not be able to hear that. Now, to go to the mall and then do the mall test. Okay, so we're doing the mall test now. So we're walking through the mall with the earphone on, so the sound you're hearing is from there. So a lot of people, people talking music sound. So other than that, nothing much. So this test normally passes with most of the earphones. So some have failed, but hopefully this one doesn't fail. Okay, so we're standing next to 70 water fountains now, so a lot of water sound, so hopefully you can hear me well. Now, generally water sound is not a big deal for a lot of people, but for some people water sound is an issue. Damn it, the installation is not working. So, what to do? You get to hear more water sound. Okay, so we're doing the sound test, traffic sound test in a busy street now. So a lot of vehicles, a lot of honking sound, a lot of people walking and sounds. So keep it well. Now I see the mic is over here, so it's a little far from my mouth, so I don't know how good the sound quality is going to be. So I hope you're able to get me that.
Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now basically these are good sounding earphone with a lot of bass. Now coming to the mic actually takes a lot of the wind sound. You've seen in the bike test when I was riding fast or when it was windy, there was a lot of wind sound coming in because the mic is right here. Now it's a little far from your mouth, so the amount of your sound that it takes is less, so you will have to actually be louder than the ones that the mics are coming over here or over here. So even this distance is the safe distance, so anything which comes around here is going to be good, but anything which goes above this is not going to be good. So I even have very expensive earphones where the mic actually goes here, so that I don't even use for calling at all. I mean that distance does not make any sense. So this one has that problem. So your mic sound will be okay if you are in a environment where there's not much of wind, because it's facing right in front, so little bit of wind also will make your sound very low and people will not be able to hear you. So other than that, everything else was fine. Even traffic also, you were able to hear me decently. All the tests went okay, so it's an average performer, but for wind, no, I won't recommend that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.